They are real and have been.
Alright guys, this is Lucas Oil Stadium, and so today I took the advantage of taking a tour.
Oh, the bull tractor. Over 3 years. So some of the biggest things, like the Gen Con.
It's very, very nice. Oh, they're saying 78,000 capacity.
They're having a good
They
time.
are learning. I hope it's a learning. It's fun. It really is.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Yeah, I've only been to one game where I sat in the suite.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a nice view.
They put the suites in the best spots.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, this is the view from the suite. Very expensive seats here, and the view is amazing. You get to see everything. Awesome.
Far side, north field is empty, along the 200 number. All those are all field, they're a lower level speed. It goes on this.
Lockers here, which is more than enough for regular season, but not enough for preseason, when they can dress 90. So for the preseason games, they put an extra row of blue metal lockers down the middle of the roof of the gym there.
So you get a massage as a football player. Really cool place. Really cool place. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the entrance to the stadium. So from the locker room, the players will come down this way and just right. But I think we're done with our tour.